Okay, Sounds of Decay 1 is Shadohm. The album is Through Darkness Towards Enlightenment.
Back in season 1, we interviewed Pal Jaraskowicz from his hammock with lots of birdies.
Yes.
The man deserved the rest, as we soon learn he has played drums in every extreme band in Poland, from Anti-Gamma to Vader. He even did a short stint in Virgin Snatch.
Virgin Snatch, okay.
So riddle me this. Why would a man so insanely busy decide to add another project to the workflow? Whatever the reason, Paul has stated that the first record, Through Darkness Towards Enlightenment, is sort of a reaction to his life experiences, purging frustrations and coming to terms with demons.
At any rate, fans of the heavy will find themselves bewitched by this 30-minute EP that swirls harsh and clean vocals, hypnotic low-tune riffing, and bold experimental guitar melodies from Rafał Lyskars and Jakub Slawowski. The final product offers a grim climate of black metal underpinned by mathy groove metal riffs fueled by Jaraskowicz's hyperactive percussive fits. All 5 songs flow with a flair for the epic. Ripped Apart bounces along on a coagulated chug adorned by cirrus guitar melodies that shift into an echoey clean seg before combusting into pure blasting mayhem, all of it adorned with impressive vocal colors from Lyskars. One of the reasons the riffing sounds so unusual on the record may have to do with the fact that the guitars were apparently custom made for the project by Powell's friend Chris Ramirez from Mexico.
That may explain the thump to the chest riffing that is ever present on the record, but particularly in the rebuking track, Fair Weather Friend, a title that wouldn't sound out of place on a Minor Threat record, but here is represented by an uber groovy, low end, clean segues with a spoken word open letter to the offender, and downright the genty percussive detonations that go over the space of 6+ minutes. It may take a few listens for the savviest of fans of tech death to get their corroded melons around this beast, but it is well worth the effort. Here is hoping for more from Shadohm, once Powell has seen to his 27 other projects hanging in the balance. Someone get this man a hammock and a beer. Let's play a song. This is Fair Weather Friend.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.